Hi guys, it's 11:55 a.m. here in Vienna, Austria, and in the Philippines it's 6:55 na ng gabi. So today guys, nagluto ako ng bangus steak with talong and pasili guys. So this is my kind of bangus steak guys. Actually guys, binili ko tong bangus sa Asia shop. Frozen siya guys, pero okay naman siya guys. Masarap pa rin siya guys, mataba siya guys. So isang bangus guys, 750 grams siya guys. Ang halaga niya binili ko guys is parang 10.99 euro. So, nasa 700. Parang, mga nasa 650 isa peso. So, eto guys, ang aming lunch for today. At syempre guys, ayan guys, ang sarap-sarap guys with talong yan guys, ayan. At syempre guys, kapag ganito ang ulam natin guys, ano pa ba guys? Pag ganito ang ulam natin guys, natural guys, rice is life. Ayan guys, so, guys, kain tayo guys. Sarap-sarap naman ito guys. Babush. Sobrang sarap niya guys. Traping taba. Kasi yung malaki talaga yung pinili ko guys. Kasi kung maliit din yung piliin mo guys, wala rin siyang taba. So eto guys, kain tayo guys. Babush.